Let's talk about getting a mortgage as a self-employed. It is not easy. It can get really complicated when you're not organized and prepared. Self-employed professionals rarely qualify for a traditional bank mortgage because of their non-traditional income. And, typically, you must own your business for 2 years before you can qualify, and approval is not guaranteed. With our experience, we've put together a mortgage guide for the self-employed that answers a lot of questions and will help you successfully close your mortgage. I'll give you the link at the end of the video so you can download it. First, let me tell you about how we closed a client's mortgage when he had less than 2 years of self-employed history and not much to show for reported income. Our client's name is Frank. His bank declined his mortgage, so he came to Effortless Mortgage. Let's get Frank to tell you a bit of his story.
Thanks, Anna. I was previously working full-time as a mechanic for over 10 years. But I decided to open up my own auto shop less than 2 years ago. My business made over $150,000, but I claimed only $50,000 on tax return. So when I went to our bank for a mortgage, they declined because I had less than 2 years of operating history and that I only claimed $50,000. It was not sufficient.
We worked with Frank going over documents and his bank statements rather than looking at tax returns. We spent time to identify deposits and others to be able to go to a lender to prove $150,000 cash inflow rather than going back with only $50,000 reported income. And because of our strong relationship with lenders, we were able to qualify him and get his mortgage approved with less than 2 years of self-employed history.
Effortless Mortgage got us approved for $800,000 mortgage at 4.99% interest rate. My wife and I and our 2 kids moved to our beautiful single detached home on the East End. We are so happy. We have our dream come true.
If you are self-employed or you know someone who is, and looking for a mortgage, connect with us at Effortless Mortgage. In the meantime, here is the link to our mortgage guide for the self-employed. You can flip through it or easily download it. We invite you to call us and get the conversation started.